All right, in the middle of a test drive on a 1992 Camaro, I pulled over so we can check for flaws. I'm gonna show the cosmetics on this car. Test drive's going great. I would definitely recommend checking that out if you're interested in this vehicle. We are a car dealer. We sell classic American muscle cars, and we're called Maple Motors. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. We're here right in the middle of Tennessee in a town called Hendersonville. It's about 15 minutes north of Nashville. You know, Music City, right down the road from us here. So come on out, visit us, and check out the town. But in this video, I'm going to be pointing out flaws, chips, scratches, anything I see. That way you know what you're buying. I have detailed pictures, I have financing, and I have shipping options. Pretty much covers everything about every car that we get in. You can also see all of our inventory every Monday, updated with new cars. Once again, that's maplemotors.com. Let's get started. Coming around the front, worst part of this car is the front. Look at all the chips from the road and the bugs. I got the hood popped right now, by the way. But yeah, there's a lot of little scratches. Really needs a paint job on the front end here. At least paint the front bumper. There is a crack in it as well. Needs to be fixed. Running down the side of the car here, you can see a couple little chips and light scratches, some swirls. I did pick up some grass. They were mowing grass over here. I had to drive through it. Everything's a little bit faded. A couple scuffs, some chips. Looks like a little bit of rust trying to pop up there in the corner. You see that? Got some scuffs along the edge there. A couple more little rust spots trying to pop up underneath the paint there. Coming towards the back and up, look at all these little scratches. Just kind of all over the car. Really, that's the main issue, is the paint job. As you can see, hood's basically the same way. Real dry looking, older paint. I'm sure this has never been repainted. Got some touch-up marks here, here. Looking over the roof line here, you can see the stains from the bird droppings that then sat on there long enough to eat the paint. Yeah, anytime you see a bird crap on your car, get it off quick. It's definitely bad. It's like an acid in there and it just breaks everything down. Coming around this way, back bumpers, same. Got some spider webbing, some cracking. Same in these edges here. I got the trunk popped already. Looks like some older tint. Picked up some grass over here, but there is scuffs, little issues. I picked up a lot of grass on here. I'm sure a lot of y'all picked up some grass in your Z-28. I shouldn't say that. That's bad. Let's go back down this way. Little dent right here. That is the first dent that I have found. I haven't really seen any else other than just a bunch of chips and stuff. Coming across the roof here. Same little marks and scratches and swirls. Over the hood. Looks like a cat lived on top of it. With all the little scratches. Either that or they had boxes up there. This one is a 5.0. It's a 2-port motor. The biggest thing is these hinges here. are getting weak. You can see how the hood's kind of falling down a little bit. It's just comes down. It is the 5.0 tune port motor. I'm not sure. Sorry about that, somebody was walking by. We got AC compressor on here, we'll be checking it out. And we'll get it started up. I'll leave it kind of, it's staying up right now, but I know it's gonna come down on me. I mean, look at it, it's just weak. It helps, because these hoods are heavy, that it's still somewhat supporting the weight on it. I went ahead and popped the trunk as well. We'll go ahead and open it. It's the same thing. The hydraulics on there are just weak. I mean, this one's a lot heavier. Catch it with my hand, I'll hold it up here. You can see you got a little bit of rust trying to pop up in the edges there. Just trying to make sure I don't miss anything, even though this is a little tough. They got something sealed up there in the corner. Checking out the trunk here. Get out of my shadow. Get it out of there. There we go. Now you can see better. See where they've cut the carpet there? That's a little storage box. In decent shape. The weather stripping looks good. You gotta firmly shut this one too. So, see, that wasn't firm enough. Have to adjust that latch. That way when it comes down, it'll lock better. There we go. She's shut. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We'll get her started up and listen to that motor. Door buzzer works. So, I don't want that going off the whole time. We'll go ahead and start it. Interior's in great shape. Front and back seat looks great. I got some gear back here, but they're nice and clean. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? That's a little game we play on the channel. Door panel on this one's in great shape. Weather stripping looks exceptional. Carpet's a little bit dirty. For the most part, it's pretty good. Power windows work good. This one's a little bit slow, but it's not, it hasn't stopped on me. Let me show you. It's doing just fine. Went up and down. See, it's not getting weak or anything. This side's much faster. It's hasn't been used very much, I guess, compared to the driver's side. The dash there is nice and clean. This thing's showing 120,000 miles, which is great for the year. Tilt column, the horn, ready? Oop. It is working. That's a good thing. The little trunk button, I couldn't get it to pop it. I manually did it with the key. Try it again on the AC. Blower motor's kicking on. The AC is not kicking on. The compressor is not engaging and pulling on the motor. It is not working. Wipers working pretty good. See, I think we've checked everything on the interior here. Got a little radio, remote. Cool. All right. I'll go ahead and roll this window down. Power locks do work on this one. Come back up with the hood. Motor's nice and quiet. The insulation's a bit worn up under the hood. Right there in the middle, other than that, it's decent. Okay, we'll come down with the hood now. Locked up. Got a peek under the car, give you a quick undercarriage shot. Check out the test drive for a lit undercarriage shot. And also check out maplemotors.com for detailed photos of the car all the way around, inside and out. If you subscribe to us, you can see daily content. You can also hit share and like. That helps us out greatly, and we'll continue to put videos out daily. Let's look under this one. Sounds like a little bit of an exhaust leak over here. We're gonna get back to the test drive now, head on back to the car lot. I got one more car to take care of today before I leave. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy our other channels. I have a channel called Southgate Production. All the music on this channel comes from my house. Me and my buddies sit down and play music together. I write it, and I just put it on the channel for y'all to enjoy. So please go over there and check that out. Hit subscribe to that channel. And of course, once I hit 1,000, we're gonna start doing live videos at least weekly. But I'm waiting to get to that 1,000 because they won't let me go live without it. Test drive videos right here at the end, last 30 seconds. Financing, shipping, all at maplemotors.com. I'm gonna head on back. We're gonna finish this test drive video. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.